following message is transmitted at the request of the Philadelphia Police Department. At 5:18 p.m., a massive swarm of bats have been sighted over the city of Reading, Pennsylvania, and are flying southeastward. Preliminary estimates are that there are over 100,000 bats in this colony. The exact source of their origin is currently unknown. At this time, they are presumed to be harmless. However, as a precaution, all residents that live 50 miles southeast of the city of Reading are encouraged to shelter in place at this time. This includes the city of Philadelphia. Take the following precautions. Go indoors immediately. Close all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning units. Close all fireplaces. Trick-or-treating has been canceled. If you see anybody outside, relay this message and encourage them to get and sit at their homes as quickly as possible. Stay tuned to this station for further updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Philadelphia Police Department. This is an update to the message previously transmitted at 5:20 p.m. this evening. A massive colony of bats was sighted in Reading, Pennsylvania, and is heading directly towards the city of Philadelphia. If you have not sheltered in place, please do so immediately. Go indoors immediately. Close all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and air conditioning units. Close all fireplaces. Trick-or-treating has been canceled. If you see anybody outside, relay this message and encourage them to get home as quickly as possible. Stay tuned to this station for further updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Philadelphia Police Department. It has been determined that the entire swarm of bats that were sighted over Reading, Pennsylvania, are vampire bats, and are currently attacking residents of the Philadelphia area. They are biting and sucking the blood from people, turning them into vampires. Please continue to shelter in place until further notice. Stay indoors, and only take action if one of these creatures attacks you. Turn off all heating, air conditioning, close fireplaces, and turn off all electricity to avoid attracting them. Trained personnel are being dispatched to deal with this situation. Stay tuned for further updates. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Philadelphia Police Department. Skeletons are emerging from several cemeteries in the area and are attacking citizens of Philadelphia. They have been sighted emerging from the earth in the following cemeteries: Cedar Hills, Christ Church, Harneybo, Laurel Hill, and Holy Redeemer. To protect your life, you need to shelter in place immediately. Turn off all lights and electricity in your homes. Seek shelter in a room with no windows. Do not go outside for any reason. Doing so endangers your life. Only fight back if a skeleton enters your home. These are potent creatures that have caused several fatalities in the area. Stay tuned to this station for more information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Philadelphia Police Department. Trained officials that were dispatched to deal with the skeletons and bats that struck Philadelphia have turned into werewolves and are aiding in the devastation of the area. Do not panic. Continue to shelter in place and prepare yourselves for an attack. If you see a vampire, skeleton, or werewolf, the best way of deterring it is with fire. It is expected that these creatures will die before sunrise tomorrow. Continue to stay with this station for updates and wait for an all-clear signal from officials. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Department of Homeland Security. This is not a test. The city of Philadelphia is currently being attacked by actual skeletons, vampire bats, and werewolves. Reports of actual werewolves and skeletons have been made from a few locations throughout the country. For this reason, you are encouraged to take action now. Shelter in place until further notice. Go inside and stay indoors until further notice. Close all windows, doors, and fireplaces. If you see a mysterious creature, do not attempt to attack it. Remain calm and do not seek its attention. Leave this to your local authorities. Wait for an all-clear signal before exiting your homes. Again, this is not a test. Shelter in place until further notice.